Welcome to Light Up Intellect. In today's lesson, we'll explore common English words and their synonyms to boost your vocabulary. The first word is happy, which means feeling joyful. Here are some synonyms: cheerful, delighted, elated, and joyful. For example, she felt happy after receiving the good news. Next, we have fast, meaning moving quickly. Synonyms include quick, speedy, swift, and rapid. For example, the car was moving fast on the highway. Now, let's learn smart, which means intelligent or clever. Some synonyms are clever, bright, sharp, and brilliant. For example, he is a smart student who learns quickly. The word strong means having great power. Synonyms include powerful, sturdy, robust, and mighty. For example, the bridge is strong enough to hold heavy trucks. Finally, we have beautiful, meaning pleasing to the eye. Synonyms are attractive, lovely, stunning, and gorgeous. For example, the sunset looked beautiful over the ocean. That's all for today's lesson. Improve your vocabulary by using these synonyms in daily conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Light Up Intellect. See you in the next video.